Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video we will learn how to install Zimbra mail server on CentOS 7. We'll cover what Zimbra mail server is and how to set it up. We'll go through all the steps in this video, so watch until the end. I've posted all the commands and steps I'll mention on my website. You'll find all the commands there, so be sure to check them out. Alright, so let's start with a brief description of Zimbra mail server. Essentially, Zimbra mail server is used by large companies that have many clients or employees and need a custom webmail panel. It also has a built-in chat system, which is a great feature. You can see a brief description here that covers all its features. Zimbra mail server is available in both free and paid versions. It's open source, with a free version and a paid version available. In this video, we'll be using the open source version, which is free. The minimum requirement is 8 GB RAM, and I'll be using CentOS 7 in this video. You can also use CentOS 8. I've listed the requirements here. So, what's the first step? The machine I'm using in this video is a DigitalOcean machine with 8 GB RAM. The best machine to use is a Kentavo machine because it offers 8 GB RAM at the lowest price. You can find the link in the description. Please use my affiliate link, as I'll be able to help you if you face any issues. My WhatsApp number is provided below. If you need any services or help, you can contact me there. So first, I'll click here and copy the domain I'll be using in this video. Keep in mind that in this video I'll create a droplet with 8 GB RAM. While there's a cost for this on DigitalOcean, you can get it at a much lower price on Kentavo. Okay, so here we select CentOS 7. We choose CentOS 7, go to the 8 GB option here, and I select Toronto as the location. After that, I enter the details and generate a password. Generate a password because we'll use the same password throughout this video. I'll open a notepad file to save it. So from here I click on Generate. This password will be generated. I copy the password and then click on Create Droplet. Put your own password here, paste the domain name here. As soon as the droplet is created, there's one thing you need to do. First, you need to enter an A record and an MX record in the domain's DNS before installation. Otherwise, your Zimbra mail service won't install properly. I'll reload it because these settings might be outdated. I'll copy it again. I'm showing you the installation for testing purposes. Normally, you should check the IP blacklist, etc. because most IPs are usually blacklisted. So I'll create 2 A records and 1 MX record here. I'll set the TTL low so the changes propagate quickly. TTL means time to live. We need to create an MX record. The MX record is done. For the MX record, use mail followed by your domain name and set the priority to 10. I've made an A record for the main domain and for the mail subdomain. Then click on Save Changes. So this part is complete. This is the first step. Now, regarding the BPS server, you can see which companies allow port 25 by default. Some companies, like DigitalOcean, may have port 25 blocked on some accounts and open on others. Okay, so our records are done. Now let's copy this IP, open PuTTY, and log in. The first time you connect, you'll need to accept the server's key. Then log in as root. Paste the password and you'll be logged in. Then, the first command you need to run will update the system and reboot. So I'll copy it and paste it here. And hit enter. Now it will take some time to update because all the files, versions, etc. will be updated. These are the preparations that need to be done before installing a server. All of them will be installed or updated here. We'll wait until it's completed, then it will reboot. After that, we'll continue with the video. When Yum finishes updating, it will automatically reboot. After that, you'll be disconnected. Then you'll need to reconnect. Open PuTTY again and reconnect. Let's copy the IP, paste it in PuTTY, and keep your password handy. Let's copy root for the username. After this, you need to run the second command. Here, you'll need to enter your website domain. I'll paste this command here and enter my domain. You need to run this here. Wait a second, you didn't enter your password correctly. Copy the password and enter it. You're logged in. Now run this command, paste it, hit enter, and after that copy this command and paste it here. After this, you need to paste this one line into the /etc/hosts file, but when the editor opens. Look at this nano command. If nano isn't found, you'll need to install it first. Run this command so that you can open any of your files directly here. I'll run this command again, paste it here. See, the nano editor has opened. After that, you need to paste this one line there. First edit this line as per your requirements, paste your domain year and your IP. Do that here, paste it, and then copy it. I'll move it down here. Either delete the first one or put one below it like this. Remove this decision line from here. You need to press Ctrl+X, then Y to save, then Enter. It's already done here. After this, there are these two commands. I'll copy them from here and insert my domain here. Then I run these two commands. These two commands are basically not required. They're to check the DNS. If this doesn't work, then it's ours. It will work like this. Then I run this command, copy. Look here, before installing the Zimbra mail server, it will install its repository file. So paste this and hit Enter. After this will create a directory for Zimbra and change into it. I'll hit Enter. Dir means we'll create a directory with this name, and cd means we'll go inside that folder. You'll see that root, mail, and Zimbra are inside this folder. After that, you need to run this command. It's just copy-paste work here. Hit Enter. Then there's also some copy-paste work. Copy the next command and run it here. And the work after this is also done here. This is the file folder. It will go inside it. cd means you're going to a directory. After this, you need to run this /install-sh command. Run it and hit Enter. So here the installation has started. You'll see a license agreement, so type Y here for yes. I've listed all the answers you need to give here, so you can see where you need to press yes. This is mostly what you need to learn. Yes, there will be a bit of installation now. After that, look what will happen here. Yes, 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 you need to agree to all of these. Okay, this is also being installed. You'll see Zimbra components, type Y for each. Y for yes to Zimbra LDAP, Zimbra MTA, Zimbra DN Sketch, Zimbra SNMP, Zimbra Store, Zimbra Apache, yes to all. Use the default settings for all. I've also included the process that's happening here, how it will show you. As soon as you fill in all these things, you'll see output like this. This one is also running. Look at its output. You'll see the same. So this Zimbra core component, after that you'll come here. Whatever steps there are, I've put all of them here. So see, you can do it. Okay, it will take some time here. The process after this will appear like this. So what steps do you need to take next? I'm telling you here, and I'll also explain in the video. But until this happens, I'll pause the video. So here it's asking to change the domain name. Do it here, it's highlighted. Now your domain name will be taken automatically. Simply press Enter. After that, it's asking you to press enter, so we press enter. After that, some options will appear here. What you need to do is select option 7 because you'll see the admin password there. I've put same here because we're keeping the default password. Okay, and for the admin password, I put 4 here. So look here, the admin password is set by default. If you want to change it, you can do so from here, but I'll leave it as is for now. Note that you don't need to use Ctrl+C here. If you select like this, it will be selected. Otherwise, you can do it like this because if you use Ctrl+C, it will return to the root. Look here, if you want to go back to the main menu, you need to press R here. First, you have to press enter. And then type R. This will take you back to the main menu. When you type it here and press enter, it's asking if you want to save all your edits. Type yes here. Press enter, and when it asks if you want to continue with the modifications, say yes and click enter. So now our Zimbra is being installed. It will take some time and all the steps I've provided here. You'll see what kind of message you'll get after Zimbra is installed. I've shown that here in this image. Look at this, you'll see this message indicating that your Zimbra has been installed. After you see this message, continue. Until then, I'll pause the video. During the Zimbra installation, it's asking if you want to proceed with the installation. Type Y and hit enter. See this here, as I've shown in the image. The same step here. Now the notification is complete and running. See this here, the notification is complete, and the same step is running here. So look here, it's completed. The complete message has also appeared here, and I'm showing you the same message here. After that, you need to press enter. After pressing enter, your Zimbra has been installed. Next, it's explaining how to open the ports. First, we'll check if our port is open. Copy this URL and I'll open a private tab here. Copy the domain which is here, paste it, and add 7071 at the end, which is the port it uses. Try accessing it. If it doesn't open, it means the port isn't open. First, you'll need to open this port. When you run this command directly, you might face an issue. First, go to the home folder by typing cd here, because right now you're in some other directory. Type cd and press enter. After that, I'll paste the command. If you get Firewall cmd command not found, you need to install it before running this command. Press enter here. And after that, start it and then enable it. This is done. Now let's run our command here. Hit enter. See, here all the ports have been enabled. After this, reload the firewall. The reload has also been done. Now let's restart our system. Let's check HTTPS here. Here I check through my IP what appears here. If it's not working, you need to restart your Zimbra services. So what you need to do is use Control and put Restart after it. To restart Zimbra services, first you need to switch to the Zimbra user. Currently, you're logged in as root. I'll now need to log in as the Zimbra user. So what you simply need to do is switch to Zimbra here. And after this, run as Control Restart. You need to run this command so that all the Zimbra services will restart. After that, you'll check if the admin panel is accessible. I'll pause the video until the restart completes. So you can see, it has restarted here. First, all the services stopped, then they started again. Now when we go to the admin panel, we see this wall. I'll reload it again. You need to go to Advanced Settings and proceed to your site. Click on it and now enter the password you copied earlier. This was my password, so I'll copy this one. The username is admin@ followed by your domain name. That's the default username. Let's log in. After logging in, you'll see a dashboard like the one I've shown here. Let's check the service status in the server status section to see if there are any issues. Look here, MTA is not running. To fix this, you need to stop postfix. You can Google the command for this. I've already stopped postfix here by running the postfix stop command. See, it has been stopped. After this, look at what I've written here. When you scroll down, you'll see that postfix and MTA can't run together, so one of them needs to be stopped. After this, you'll need to restart the services. Because if you stop one of your services here, you need to start it again. First, I'll log in as the Zimbra user because right now I'm logged in as root. We're in Zimbra now, and after that I'll run the restart command. Hit enter, and these services are being restarted. They'll all stop first and then start. As it completes, look here, the restart has finished. Now go to our Open Admin panel and refresh it. Now reload it from the top. After restarting the Zimbra mail server, you'll see output like this. Then check the services on our server to see if they're running. Look here, they're all showing is running. Sometimes, even after executing the command, it might still show as failed here. In that case, clear your browser cache. Or open it in private mode, or turn your internet connection off and on. Sometimes the previous status persists due to caching. So it's working now. I'll reload it once more to show you. Look here in the services section, everything is showing is running. After this, I provided a video below to explain how to set up SPF and DKIM. You can subscribe for more. So first, add two TXT records here. Select TXT and keep the text here. You know the format of SPF. It's in this format. I'll enter it here first. And here you put your IP. This is the format. I'll copy it from here and paste it here. The DKIM also has a format. I'll copy that too from here. Because I keep using it, all the codes are coming in as suggestions. So here, whatever your domain is, you need to replace it. This is the format of DKIM. Okay, I'll paste it. I'll do it here too. Then I complete it, copy from here. And paste it here. The hostname will be _domain key. You'll see this. If you've seen my series, you can subscribe for more. And you can also see all the topics by going to the playlist here. I've created one for Power MTA. After that, we'll subscribe and then we'll proceed. We'll generate DKIM for your domain first. So first, you need to do this. You need to log in as the Zimbra user. It's done from here. So if you do it as Zimbra, it will work. After this, you need to run this command. Paste it here and add your domain. Don't forget to add your domain here. I'll copy it and do it here. I did the test, so see, it has generated a different record here. So I'll add the txt record here and keep the ttl. The name will come, see, it's from here to here. Or otherwise, I'll copy the complete code and show it to you. Here, I'll put it in Notepad and show you. This is your host name. So I entered the host name from here. I copied directly from here, up to where the double quotes end. Okay, paste this. There's a small gap between them. You can remove any unnecessary spaces. Okay, after this, save the changes here. It will be like this. In a short while, all the updates and DNS propagation will be complete. After that, what you need to do is create your mail here. Like this is your mail domain. Keep it here. A mailbox will open here. Log in with the admin credentials, admin@yourdomain.com. This is the one. Paste the password. Here's the version selection. If you want an advanced version or a standard version, I'll keep the default here and click on Sign In. This is your mailbox. You'll be logged in here, and from here you can send mail to anyone. Here you can add recipients and subject. There are many more features, including a chat feature. You can see it here. Yes, this is for big companies. There are many more options, many of them very advanced. This is done for this email account. You can create more email accounts here. Go to Manage here and look at the sidebar. You'll see new written here. You can create a new account from here as I do. Enter the first name, last name, and if you want to enter a password, I'll enter the same password. I've pasted the password and clicked on Finish. This mail ID has also been created here. Now I'll log out from here. Yes, and the one you've just created, let me log into it. Paste the username and password, then sign in. It's logging in here. See, the login is done here. After this, if I send this mail, it first sends a test mail to check it. Click on New Message here. In the field, we'll put the ID of this test mail. Add a subject like Hi, put anything in the message, and click on Send. See here, the message has been sent. If we refresh here, the mail has reached me. So all the mails are being sent from here, and our service is also running. This service needs to be running for all these features to be available. From here, you can also set up a new domain. Click on Set up a domain, then Create domain, and you can do all the necessary steps. More videos related to email marketing will be available on my channel, so make sure to subscribe. There are many videos available here related to email marketing that you can watch. Whatever commands and content you find here on the website, you can use all the commands clearly, step by step. My contact number is available on WhatsApp. If you need help or any service, you can contact me there. Thanks for watching this video.